In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the physical appearance. So once again, with the browser open over here, I'll go to bodies, right click. We can change the appearance, which is just the color. In this case, we're going to change the physical material, right? Because we want to put a different material, right? Because it's on steel. So you can see you have your libraries. So it will look something like this. You can have ceramics, electronics, different materials, fabric, that you want to do it. In this case, let's go for plastic. And I don't think there's PLA in this one like add it yet. I'll if I find it, I'll show you how to add it. But for now, there's different. You can do PET plastic, PTFE, something that the printers here also print with. Um, you can just play whichever. Uh, the one that we have PLA is polylactic acid. I don't think it's here. So for this case, we're just gonna use AVS just for this purpose. So click AVS, we drag it, put it on the face, and notice how it changes now to a white. So if we close this, we can of course change the physical appearance. But now if we go to properties, the area is the same, but look at the density and the mass. Now it's only 3 ounces mass, right? Because we went from steel to plastic. So the volume is the same, the area is the same, but the density and the mass is different because of course, it's way less mass. And if you don't like these units, once again, you can always change the units. We can go to the settings and change the units so that we can use, like grams and things like that. I think if you're in inches, it will show you this, but if you change to millimeters, you might be seeing like grams or kilograms. All right, so that's it for this one. I'll show you the next video how to continue doing some of the other parts.